among Srila Prabhupada's many contributions to the world, he himself gave most stress to his books. 4 books in particular, he stated, are sufficient for the practice and propagation of Krishna consciousness. Bhagavad Gita as it is, Srimad Bhagavatam, the Nectar of Devotion, and Sri Caitanya Caritamrta. Sri Caitanya Mahaprabhu is the most well-known and fully authorized, comprehensive literature on the pastimes and teachings of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, especially his latter pastimes in Puri, in the ecstasy of remembering Krishna and showing us how to do that. This has been major literature, definitive literature for the Gauriya Vaishnavas in Bengal and Orissa, Vrindavan, for generations. By Srila Prabhupada's mercy, it has been translated, he himself translated into English, and subsequently his followers have translated it and published it in many languages throughout the world. Now at last it's available in Tamil. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally spent considerable time here compared to other places in Tamil Nadu. He traveled widely in Tamil Nadu, uplifting all the people, and those pastimes are described along with many, many others in Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So it's a great boon for the people, the Tamil-speaking people, especially for those devotees who, by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, are partaking in the mercy of Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that this is now available. Devotees have worked hard to prepare this translation. It's available in 9 volumes, and the inauguration of this Tamil edition of Sri Caitanya Caritamrta, available for the first time in this language. That will be on May the 5th, 2018 in Chennai, at the main center of ISKCON in Chennai. So we encourage all the devotees to take part in this event. It's a great event in the history of ISKCON's activities in the Tamil-speaking, among the Tamil-speaking people. Everyone can come and get their copies, first edition of Sri Caitanya Caritamrta. All devotees are kindly invited to attend this event and to get your copy of Sri Caitanya Caritamrta in Tamil and start to drink the nectar of Chaitanya Caritamrita every day. Chaitanya Caritamrita nitya karo pan jaha hoite premananda bhakti tattva gyan. Within Chaitanya Caritamrita it is stated that we should drink the nectar of Chaitanya Caritamrita daily, by which we will be enriched by blissful love of Krishna and knowledge of all the understandings of what is bhakti devotional service. Hare Krishna. Hope to see you there.